Hi guys. Okay, I am going to give you, given you guys a couple of my favorite healthy desserts to like save me from the cookie jar. This is literally the one that I've like gotten famous for in all my circles. So coconut oil, maybe like a heaping teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon. And all I'm gonna do is first melt this in the microwave for 30 seconds. You're gonna stir in your favorite protein powder. People always ask me, and I personally use Shakeology. I love it. But you can probably use anything. I sometimes even use like a muscle recovery. So you want to use enough coconut oil that it becomes like soup. So here's the consistency. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? You're gonna die. So this Cocoa Whip, put it in the freezer. It becomes like ice cream. So you're gonna scoop it out. Okay. It's really hard to not eat the whole container, but watch this. Drizzle this on top. And because the Cocoa Whip is frozen, it literally becomes like Hershey's candy shell. Look, it's the most insanely delicious dessert you've ever had. Every retreat, every gathering, I share this and people go crazy. Tell me your thoughts. Go make it.